Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a clean with me, but I'm going to be organizing and cleaning out from under my kitchen sink. But as you can see, me mostly, have been just shoving everything in here, and I need to just go through and organize and give everything a home and get rid of a lot of stuff that I'm not using anymore or that I don't need. And I also need to put a liner in the bottom because it doesn't have one and it's got a little bit of water damage on it. But my last video was a clean with me and declutter under my bathroom. And if you have not seen that video of the declutter for the bathroom, I will link it in the description. But anyways, I'm going to just start with taking everything out so I can see what I have and put it on my counter. And then what I don't need, I'm just going to go ahead and throw away or recycle.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't.
Okay, so now everything's out and I just wiped it down, and as you can see there's a little bit of peeling right there from where some water and some cleaner got poured out. But I'm just going to put some new paper liner in the bottom of that, and I got it at Walmart for like $5 or $6. But I know you can get it at the Dollar Tree for a lot less, but I thought I would use it for some other projects as well, so that's why I went ahead and got it while I was there. But anyways, let's go ahead and get that done.
Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Last night we had something. Tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention, you just like their attention. It's written all over your face. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you. Reading old messages on my phone every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act just to keep...
Okay, so that's after I got it in. I did struggle with it just a little bit until I figured out how to use it, but you can peel this back up and then stick it back down as many times as needed, so you can really adjust it. And I wished that I had the patience to put a strip right there on the back, but I just don't. But nobody's gonna really see it but me anyways. So now I'm just going to get all the stuff that's on the counter and go through it and start organizing it.
And slept on my pillow, then said you had found your place. Not sure if I want this. You don't think that I notice. This isn't like giving you space. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, pretending that I don't know who you are every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act, just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart.
So I got this little bin. It's a canvas bin at Walmart for, I think it was $3.96, but I thought it was cute, but I know the bottom's not waterproof, so I just got these little baskets that are 98 cents a piece to go in the bottom of them. That way, if anything leaks out, it will be in here. So I'm gonna put some of my cleaning products in there.
Defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart.
And I also got these little bins here, and they're flexible. I got these at Walmart. They come in a pack of 2 for these little ones, and they were also like $3.96 or $3.88 or something like that. And then I also got this bigger one, and it's also flexible, so you could wipe out the inside. And these were like $3.96 for one. So I got these to also put some things in that maybe I won't use as much, but easy to get to.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the beat. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 things get huge, just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm, do you remember I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Okay, so I just went ahead and put the cleaning cloths in this little bin, and then I bought this storage container that was clear at Walmart to put the disposable gloves in, and then the sponges fit perfectly in here. And then back here in this container, and I actually got this on the party aisle because it's plastic, or maybe on the wedding aisle at Walmart, but I just put all the dishwasher tabs in here. And then I put just like some random things that couldn't go by themselves in this one. Like these are all of our aprons, mine and the girls, then extra Swiffer wands, trash bags, and then an old cleaning cloth that I wanted to keep because I like to use it to do dirty jobs like on the floor and stuff, and then my gloves, some hand wash that we don't use all the time but we do use it occasionally, and floor polish that we don't use much. That's 2 of those, the different brands. And then here's just some extra refills for soap, and then dish detergent, and then my fills, not the soap. And then here is just some cleaners that we have, and then some Lysol, and then Clorox wipes, and the 7th generation wipes in that. So that's how I organized everything. Now I'm just going to put everything back in.
Despite the loss, I'm over here, gotta get across.
Okay, so this is the finished product. This is everything put where I think I'm going to keep it. But all the bins look so cute together. Those are just extra washcloths. I can't talk this late at night. And then here are some sponges, extra sponges, and then the Lysol back there, and some extra Mrs. Meyer's cleaners, and then the floor cleaners in the very back because we don't use them very often, and then trash bags and an extra apron right there, and then dishwasher tabs, gloves, and in the back extra hand soaps and dish detergent. But it's so cute. I love how it turned out, and then now I kind of know what I have and what I don't have, and everything has a home again. And then on the door right here, I've got a little bit of paint right there that needs to get off, but don't mind that. But I have 2 command hooks, and then I put this wire basket there, and this is holding mine and my 2 daughters' aprons. And then we also have an extra sponge here, and then cleaning gloves. That way you can just grab them pretty easily, and you could probably have put another basket there and one on the other door, but that's really all I needed. But I really like how it turned out. I think it is so cute. I love the design and all the colors they had at Walmart. So if you're trying to get organized, I do recommend that you look there first. And of course, always the Dollar Tree, because they have some good stuff. Anyways, I hope this gives you some motivation in order to get some things organized in your kitchen sink. And if you have not already, please consider subscribing before you go. And thank you for watching.